We're gonna do it on a budget because everybody don't got them little extra coins just to be lying around trying to keep up with the keep ups, So that's one thing you don't do. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses. Do you? Welcome. So today I just want to introduce myself again for the ones that doesn't know me. My name is Miss Karen. I'm Miss Karen Style with me. And this channel you will be getting affordable, easy, quick DIYs, home decor, try on hauls, story time, vlogging. You will get all of that. And let me know down below what you all would like to see me do. So, but other than that, y'all, I just want to tell y'all what happened to me. Do y'all know I slipped on a piece of ice? Yeah. I banged up my knee, It was pretty good, I banged it up pretty good, so. But your girl, she okay. I'ma be okay. I just got to take it easy. That's all. Just take it easy. I was just walking, just slipped. That's all. Wasn't doing nothing fancy. Wasn't doing nothing particular, but just walking. But we can get into that later. But today we are going to do a DIY. And the DIY, well, it's going to be a cleaning of this bar cart. My bar cart here, I got this bar cart from Wayfair. It was super cute to me, super affordable, and it goes with my dining room set. So I thought it would just be a perfect match. So we just gonna clean it up and we gonna style it. I took all my Christmas decor off of it. So now I'm just gonna go back to the plain Jane, regular old style glam bar cart, and we just gonna clean it up and see what we can come up with. What I love about bar carts is you can style them any way you want to. I love them, because you can put anything on it. You can put, if it's the holiday season, everybody just thought bar carts was just for liquor and wine and all that stuff, but not necessarily. You can deck this out to go with your whole house decor, and it'll still be super cute. And we're going to do it super affordable, and we're going to do it on a budget. Because everybody don't got them little extra coins just to be lying around trying to keep up with the keep ups, So that's one thing you don't do. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses. Do you? Do what you love to decorate. Decorate however you like to decorate. Don't worry about what somebody else have or don't have. They style. Everybody's style is different in some sort of way. We may have similar styles. I can bounce off of you, you can bounce off of me or whatever, but pretty much everybody have their own little style, whether it's modern, glam, what have you. So don't ever let nobody tell you, "Ooh, that's not cute." Honey, it's cute to me. So that's all that matters. If you all like it, I love it. So let's get into it with this bar cart, cleaning this bar cart. We're gonna wipe it down first, spray it down. And like I said, this came from Wayfair. So it was easy to put together, and it was nice and affordable. I think this was, honestly, y'all, I think this was it was under 175. Under 175. I forgot how much, but I think I had caught it on sale anyway. But I had it for a while. It's been some years since I had it now. So, but you see it's still holding up, still looking cute. So let's get into it. The only thing that I will say about this is you have to keep it clean often. At least clean it like once a week, because this does accumulate dust. It's just natural dust that's just around the house. You know, you open the door, you walking past, you sweeping, you vacuuming, you mopping, you know, just natural dust, you dusting off the other furniture. So it will collect dust. So you just have to make sure that you dust it off at least once a week to keep the shine and, you know, keeping it looking good and glam. You know how we do it. So that was easy. It was a quick wipe down. It wasn't too dirty because I'm always cleaning, I'm always dusting, I'm always doing something. So, you know, I kind of keep my stuff, you know, nice and neat, you know, because it's just me here. So why not? So we're going to decorate it now. This piece right here, I got this from Ross. So it's just a little gold tray because that's my colors, white, silver, and gold. So I thought this would be cute. So, and then another thing, y'all just take different things from different areas of the house and move them around. You know, people think you just have to shop, you know, which I do, but you know, just move stuff around and give things a new home, a new look. And I'm telling you, if you move one certain thing from one area to the next, it will make that whole area look like you then went out to the store and rebought that all over again. And you really don't even have to. So we're gonna put this, I'll put that right there. This right here, this came from Burlington. If you all are Burlington shoppers, I know right now, I think Burlington have these right now. And I had these years ago, once again, you know, so, yep, this came from Burlington. I have like a couple of these in different colors to go with the season, so we're gonna put this one out on the cart today. Put that one right there. Do it like that. And then, of course, what's a bar cart without your champagne? Yes, Black Girl Magic Sparkling. And I DIY'd these champagne glasses, so they super cute. I just added some rhinestones on the outside of them, so you can drink out of these. The rhinestones, as you can hear, is just on the outside of them. So we'll probably put that right there. Do that. Do that. This piece right here, this was like super cute because it has the mirror effect to it, and it's really like a candle holder, but you know, I just like it because for the height, because it's tall. And guess where I got this from? I got this from Goodwill for $3. So I'm telling y'all, look, I be shopping everywhere. You can find some good stuff at the Goodwill. You know, hey, don't be ashamed. You can find some good stuff at the Goodwill. So, especially home decor stuff, you know, just something like original, and you be like, oh, I like that. I know what I can do with that. I can DIY with that, you know, because I'm the DIY. I love DIYing just about anything I would DIY. So, but, yep, Goodwill. So, we're going to put it up here. Move that up. And this came from Burlington. It's just a little ball. I just thought it was cute. I got it on clearance. You know, you just be picking up things as you shopping around the store. Got this from Burlington. So, that right there. This little piece right here, I got this from Goodwill for 25 cents. Yes, I said it, 25 cents. And it's gold. Hey, if I find anything gold, I'm practically finna get it. And you should see my storage. My storage is like jammed with so much stuff, but I'm going to start giving that stuff away and giving it to Goodwill and all that stuff. But I thought this was cute just to put up here. So that's cute. Then we have these. I got this from Ross. Still got the Ross tag on it. And it's like a Chanel. And it's just like a plaque, you know, you can put up, see, it's just a little plaque. But I thought it was cute, and when I saw it, I was like, you know what, that'd be cute in my bar cart. I had this in the kitchen, on my kitchen counter at one point, and then I changed the kitchen counter, and then I put this on my bar cart. So we're gonna put that right there. And then these are shot glasses. These are shot glasses. So these are cute. These came from Burlington. I thought they was cute because, once again, they go with my decor colors, you know. So I thought that was cute. Now this little baby, This also is a Goodwill find. You know, I found this at Goodwill. And I want to say this was like $4 for this. Just for this. It was like a silver color. But then I had painted it gold. Because I thought it was cute. You know, it was a cute little shape. You know, like a little boat or a sleigh, you know. I didn't even think about this. I could have used this during Christmas like a little sleigh. But I thought that was cute. And so I just got these little balls. I got these from Burlington. And I just put those in there because those was my colors too. And I just figure I'll just put this underneath the bottle right there. See how it's coming along. This cheer sign, this came from Marshall's, I want to say. So I just got this to go with my bar cart too because I thought this was cute. Cheer. And then we'll just put cheers right there. And so, last but not least, look at this. I thought this was cute, too cute. I got this from Wal Mart for $5. You know, I thought this was cute because it go with my decor. It's just for decoration. I ain't gonna use it for real, but you know, it's just decoration. But I thought it was cute to go up on my bar cart. And then I already had this big bag of rocks or beads or whatever. And I just figured, look, because we gonna pretend like it's ice. We gonna be bougie with it. Be bougie with it. Pretend like it's ice. See how that turns out. It gives it some color. Pretend like that's ice, and then guess what? So we're gonna put that right here, and then if we really want to do it, guess what? Now, ain't that so cute? And see, that is super easy to decorate your bar cart with little of nothing. You know, it's a little bit of everything on here. Wayfair, Burlington, Marshalls, Ross, Goodwill. So, look, got to do what you got to do. So, remember, this page is Saving Dollars Just Make Sense. So, we all about saving our coins. So, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you in the next video.